Hi everybody, and welcome to this week's episode of Curbside Crafting. This week at Storytime, we talked about wildlife, so that's what this craft is themed after. It's a really, really cool craft, and I'm not lying, but he is. Sorry for the terrible dad jokes. But seriously, you are actually gonna make a little lion. He's super cute. He has his own little hairbrush to brush his beautiful mane. So when you come by to pick up your curbside checkouts, if you are not coming in the building, or if you decide that you want to come in and browse the shelves and check out your books in person, we can absolutely give you a craft that way too, whatever you prefer. So what you're gonna get, of course, is a toilet paper roll and this sheet right here, which is your template that you can color in. You can color your lion whatever color you want, because that's the power of imagination, and it is very awesome. I did go more traditional gold with a lovely orangey brown mane, but whatever color you want. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna color, this is gonna be the body of your lion. You're gonna color that whatever you want and then glue it and wrap it around your toilet paper roll. And then of course you have all of his other parts, his cute face, his arms, his tail, which might be the most complicated part of the whole process, which is not very difficult at all, but you'll color that in, cut it out and fold it in half, and then you just glue it right on his backside there. And then his feet go underneath. It's a very, very simple craft. And of course you'll need your crayons, some scissors, and a glue stick to bring all of this together. So I hope that you enjoy it and you have a cute little lion that you can hang out with now. I can't wait to see you guys when you come into the building. Bye!